As today we'll talk about how can you enable Cellular download on your app. We'll go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to next step. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You click here on settings. You come here to cellular downloads. Just click here in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean here cellular downloads. It's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do now. I wish now you I give it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.